What's going on, guys? It actually did snow, so let's get out here and check it out. I've already shoveled some, but as you can see, it's coming down pretty hard. You can't even really see where I shoveled. I shoveled this driveway already, and it's already covered over. But we do have to go over and help out some family. And let's get in the garage here because it's nasty out. Whew. So we do have to go over and help out some family members, shovel snow and just help take care. So much as I hate to drive it in bad weather, we are going to take the Turbo GMC out this time and play around in the snow a little bit. We'll just have to clean it up really good after we're done. And they haven't plowed. I haven't seen a single plow truck yet. So we probably got, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches, and it's coming down extremely fast. So we're supposed to get roughly 8 inches. So let's get this thing fired up, get it outside. And it's been a long time since this thing's been driven in the snow. Sounds is the Turbo GMC making the snow. Let's put the two-step on and see. Say it doesn't like the cold weather a whole lot, but it definitely tears up the snow. All right, here we go. Two-wheel drive. It's actually spinning already.
Awkward. Maybe you should drive with both hands.
Yeah, let's take it out here. We're gonna have to use four-wheel. In the snow, do you?
No, because you always complain it's going to have salt on it.
Well, I'm trying to keep it as nice as I can. That's
it's
why.
2004.
Exactly. And it still looks pretty good. That's how you keep them nice. You take care of them. Alright guys, we're going down this hill, so we gotta remember our snow driving safety tips.
What?
I try to inform people of this channel.
Okay, great.
So, we're going downhill, so you can gear down, and the two most important things to remember is not to panic and don't do anything drastic. So don't hit the brakes drastic, don't hit the gas drastic, and don't oversteer drastically. All of those things will get you in trouble.
How many times can you say drastic in one sentence?
Probably a drastic amount. Alright guys, so here's a perfect example. We waited till we get to the bottom of the hill, and if you hit the gas too hard, you just spin. You're going to be all over the place. Fortunately, we got a big heavy truck so we can just recover, but if you were in a car, you would have been stuck there.
Or dead.
There's nothing quite like boost in snow to just put a smile on your face.
Where's that smile?
You can't see it because of the mustache.
Just ran over a snowbank and we're almost flipped the truck.
Yeah,
that was not safe driving. Way to go, man.
Woo. That will take the smile right off your face.
That'll give you an old shit face.
Alright, we're back on the road.
Jesus.
That was kind of crazy. I thought we were going over for sure.
We just ran over a snowbank and we're almost flipped the truck.
Yeah,
that was not safe driving.
Alright, we recovered from that slightly. And
I have not recovered.
Well, it's at least pretty. It's snow on everything. Still coming down pretty good too. I don't know how much we've gotten at this point. It is very slick, I will tell you that. It's slicker than I initially thought it was.
We almost flipped the truck.
That's what I'm saying. It's slick. And we're back to driving safely. We're geared down.
Yeah.
Easy. Just light pressure on the brake. Light steady pressure. We don't want to. Down bottom of this hill is obviously a red light with a stopped car, so we have to stop before that. So just drive drive accordingly. You don't want to get to the bottom of this hill and slam on your
Hey,
brakes.
look, that guy's totally spinning out too. Good times. There's a Mustang out in the snow. He won't get far.
Alright, we dropped the wife off to parents and her parents, so it's a good thing the truck's lifted because honestly that was pretty scary. We ran up on that bank, the right front wheel went way up on the bank and the truck went about 45-degree angle, and it happened super quick. I mean, even though you're being cautious, I was actually playing around a little bit at that point, but even if you are being cautious, it can definitely get away from you quick. Like I said, just try not to panic. It's sometimes easier said than done, but almost guaranteed if you panic and start overcorrecting, you're going to get into more trouble. So we're going to run into town and get some gas in this because it's low and we may have to play around in the snow a little bit here. Alright guys, we're headed back home. I think our fun's about over today. It actually is turning to rain now, so we definitely don't have much snow on the roads anymore, and it's just going to get nasty now. So we're going to get this truck home and put up before the roads are just pure salt and slush. Wow, you can see where they quit plowing or probing the roads. Someone was having some fun on here too. The roads were just all slush, pretty clean actually, and they're completely snow covered. There's actually a guy with a trailer behind me. Looks like probably a horse trailer. So right up here is where we went up on the bank. As you can see, we were pretty high up on there. salt and just the nasty brine that they put down is really, really tough on vehicles. Someone almost did make it up here fishtailing. I don't know if they're playing or just struggling, but you always want to try and give room for the other person too. Take one more back road. It's definitely not been plowed. It's definitely snow covered, so this is the roads I like to travel. All right, guys, we're back home. Truck did good. Did really good, except for, you know, almost rolling it. That was my fault. So we parked over on the side. We'll finish getting our driveway shoveled off, and it's drizzling now, so there's a little bit of a crust, but we definitely got another, I don't know, 3 inches. So we'll get this cleared off. All right, guys, we got the truck back home, back inside the garage. It is filthy. We try not to drive it too much after the roads were plowed, but as you can see, we definitely have some salt residue on here, and it's slowly melting off. We're definitely gonna try and drag. It's supposed to warm up tomorrow. We're definitely gonna try and drag the hose and maybe even pressure wash her out, and really pressure wash and clean this thing up. It needed cleaned up anyway, but it definitely needs cleaned up now. I definitely can't stand it the way it is. So we got it, had a little bit of fun with it. We'll get it cleaned up and keep it nice and dry in here, hopefully for the rest of the winter. We don't have too much winter left, so, you know, like I said, if it's just snowy, I don't mind driving it. It's the salt that it irritates me. So that's about all the time we have today. We did do a little bit to Project LS Extreme. Pretty much just clean the garage up from all the mess we made yesterday, tearing that cab apart. But we're out of time now. This snowstorm really took up most of our day today. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Have a good day.